The wiring, as you can see, is an absolute total mess. So it's all been ripped out to a bare shell. And connections in the bilges, such as this, is just simply asking for trouble. So it's all been removed. I've made myself a new instrument panel, and this is how simple it is. Well, back to the boat. All the interior is covered in contact adhesive, and I can't shift that, so an old carpet, that's all coming out, so not too sure how I'm going to tackle this, but I'll get over it. As you can see, I have got over the problem. It's all clean and bright and light. So how did I achieve this? Because it was quite a problem with this contact adhesive. I couldn't remove it. Well, I'm taking an unusual step. I used a masonry paint. This is an emulsion for outside use. It's a good quality. But the most important thing is it's thick, creamy, covers a multitude of sins. But it's not, there's no gloss, it's a matte. And this will eliminate all problems with condensation. So, a bit different. But what you can't get with this video is how nice and clean it all smells now. I have several rolls of this double-sided sticky tape. It's immensely powerful, and you pull off the top or the backing, whichever it is, and it's double-sided. I picked loads of these up out of a skip. Don't know why they threw them away, but I used them for all sorts of things, and I've used them here. I've also painted the wheelhouse, okay, but I've run the double-sided tape up there along here, and as you can see, that's the other side. There is my navigation lights. So I run the sticky tape on there, then run me wires on top of the sticky to hold them in place. Gave it a couple of coats of you know what, and it holds the wires in place. It's extremely neat, and there's no cable clips. You can wipe it all down. So I'm rather pleased with that. Not so happy about the broken window, but that's next year. One thing at a time, eh? Here's my new control panel, simple panel, in place. That one down there does nothing, just covers up a hole. Completely unnecessary. So I'm rather pleased. Well, I think with this project we're well over halfway there now, and the next thing I'm going to tackle, and the bit I've been looking forward to most of all, is getting this engine up and running. I've every confidence.